Tracking your visa application with VFS.
Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss how to track your visa application using your VFS tracking reference number. Knowing the status of your visa application is important to plan your travel accordingly.
What is a VFS tracking reference number?
The VFS tracking reference number is a unique identifier assigned to your visa application. You would have received this number when you submitted your application at the VFS Visa Application Center. This number is crucial to track the status of your application online.
Where can I find my VFS tracking reference number?
You can find your VFS tracking reference number on your receipt. It's typically located at the top or bottom, and it usually starts with a combination of letters and numbers. If you submitted your application online, check your email for the receipt.
How to use the VFS tracking reference number to track your visa application.
Follow the steps below to track your visa application using your VFS tracking reference number. 1. Visit the official VFS Global website. Please note that the URL may vary depending on your country. 2. Locate and click on the Track Your Application option typically found in the main menu or at the bottom of the page. 3. You'll then be prompted to enter your VFS tracking reference number along with your date of birth. 4. After entering the required details, click on Submit or Track. 5. Your current visa application status should then be displayed on the screen. Remember, your VFS tracking reference number is an essential tool to keep tabs on your visa application status. Make sure to keep it safe. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck with your visa application. Safe travels!